Salam. Today we're going to be making a milky noodle dessert, sheer khurma. This one's also known as savayan and is typically eaten at the Eid festival at the end of Ramadan. After a month of hard fasting, we can celebrate with a sweet dish.
You're going to need half a cup of dates, roughly chopped, 1 tablespoon raisins, a quarter cup pistachios, roughly chopped, a quarter cup sliced almonds, a quarter cup cashews, roughly chopped, and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter or ghee, 1 packet of savayan, aka vermicelli noodles, and 2 tablespoons unsalted butter or ghee, 8 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 8 green cardamom seeds, and a pinch of saffron. First, in a mortar and pestle, add the cardamom seeds, then crush into a powder. Lightly crush the savayan noodles so they're finer. In a pan, add the ghee on medium and melt. Add the dates, pistachios, almonds, cashews, and raisins and toast for 2 to 3 minutes, then take out. Add more ghee, then add the savayan noodles and toast those for 2 to 3 minutes, then set aside. In a pot, add the milk on medium-high for 15 minutes until it starts to simmer. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't explode everywhere. Turn to medium, then add the toasted nuts and fruit, savayan, sugar, cardamom powder, and saffron. Simmer while stirring for 30 to 60 minutes depending on how thick you want it. Just know that when you place it in the fridge afterwards, it will get more thick.
Alright, bismillah. So I prefer my sheer khurma to be on the milkier side. Some prefer it to be thicker like a pudding, but I like it like this so you can eat it like a sweet cereal for breakfast.